Cordial greeting. Today I go to present my answers of part 1 of the activity number 2. My name is Lady Gibeli Piraquive Acosta.
How do you spell your
Laidi.
Where are you from?
I am from in Chiquinquirá, Boyacá.
Are you what?
At the moment I studying in the National Open and Distance University.
How interested are you?
What I find most interesting about countries is that each one has its own different cultures.
How do you enjoy spending?
In me, in my free time, studying English, sing, sleep, drawing, and dancing.
What's the best
To improve my English, I listen to music, I read in English, I practice that we watch in class.
if you could learn a new skill?
I have some problems in English, complete text, and translate them while a little more about the English language. Thank you and see you later.